Hi, my name is Ali Spiegel, and I'm going to be going over the 2019 AP FRQ number 2, parts A and B. So here's the problem, and as you can see, we're given a chart, so we can deduce out of the 6 types of AP FRQ questions, it is a chart problem. And a tip is that when it's a chart problem, we're typically approximating instantaneous rates with an average rate. So based off of that, we are going to be applying the f of b minus f of a over b minus a equation and area of trapezoids. So for part A, we are given that the function is differentiable, so then therefore we can infer that it is also continuous, and we can apply the mean value theorem and use the equation f of b minus f of a over b minus a. And then we plug in the respected values from the interval given from part A, we can simplify and get 0. So therefore, for some t on the interval 0.3 to 2.8, the acceleration of the particle equals 0 meters per hour squared. For part B, we are finding the trapezoidal sum with 3 subintervals that are given to approximate the integral. So here's the area of a trapezoid, which is 1/2 height times a plus b. And here are the 3 subintervals. And what I did was I just added all the areas of the trapezoids from the 3 subintervals. And to get the height, what I did was, for example, for the first subinterval, I just subtracted 0 from 0.3 to get the height, and then just did f of 0 plus f of 0.3 to get a and b. And I just did the same thing for the rest of the subintervals. And then I just plugged in, or I substituted in 0 and 55 for f of 0 and f of 0.3, and did the same thing for the rest of the subintervals. And I simplified, and I eventually got 40.75. And that's it. Thank you.